There's our community center, Charas El Bohio, in the Lower East Side between Avenue B and C and 9th and 10th. We've been struggling to get this building back. It was an abandoned school and the community took it over, and then Giuliani sold it at an auction. And we're still trying to get this building back. We're getting closer and closer. We're starting to do our own construction now, but it's going to take a lot of money to get this building back to the community. So we really need your help. Come check out our exhibit at the Museum of Reclaimed Urban Space in New York City and learn more about your history.